Ooh, so spooky! Hi guys, welcome to my world of colors. So today I'm gonna color in my Boo Cat Halloween coloring page. Let's start on the cat first. His nose is pink and he has an orange color with a gold spider on it. And let's make his fur dark gray. And I finished coloring the cat. Next let's color in Mr. Pumpkin, orange. His mouth and his eye is yellow. And his foot stalk is brown. Okay, I finished coloring in Mr. Pumpkin. Next let's color in the witch's cauldron warm gray and the poison in it is green. And now, let's color the shadow below them purple. Okay, next let's color in the bat up here, warm gray. And the word Boo is orange. And let's color the background outside the window. The grass is green. And the sky is blue with a lot of yellow stars. And I have a finished coloring. Next let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so awesome. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please check out my last Halloween coloring page video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. Happy Halloween day and see you next time. Bye.